Today, we got more mods for the Z06. As you guys saw the last video, we did put the carbon fiber lip on. This thing looks so good. I actually need to re-bolt it still. I gotta add some bolts in the middle because it is a little saggy. I did break a couple bolts, so we're gonna put some self tappers. We'll do that right now. But we got some new mods. You guys could probably already guess what's in that box, but I cannot wait. We're gonna fully transform the Corvette today. This is the last time it will look like this. But the question is, will it fit in the Corvette? I have not used this trunk yet, so we'll see. Then we're gonna mess up the stripes today. The car looks so clean with the stripes. Let's get it warmed up while we're waiting. No way this fits, right? Damn, this air conditioning is cold. I still have not fixed the R8 air conditioning. This air conditioning works. I also got a pimple patch on because this pimple is huge, bro. So don't mind that, all right? But yeah, all this is from our guys over at Headlight. If you guys know Corvettes, you guys know Headlight. They're like the #1 supplier for all Corvette lights. As simple as it sounds, headlights, tail lights, interior lighting, they got it all. And today we are completely modernizing the Corvette. We are adding so many lights to the car, inside and out. So get ready, we're gonna fully transform this thing and it's gonna be completely different. Let me show you a little before and after. You guys see these ugly yellow lights from 2007? It's not gonna be like that for very long. All right, we have made it to Daniel's house. The vet is back. Daniel's already taken apart the whole front end. So we're gonna take off the whole front bumper because today we're gonna install headlights. We're gonna install these ones. Damn, we already took it out. Yeah. That was fast. Fog lights, interior lights. I think we're doing these ones as well. And we're doing the reverse lights, so these as well. Literally every single light on the car is getting fully replaced on this. We're fully like modernizing the Corvette. Like I said, all these are from like 2007. Everything's gonna be LEDs and bright white. These are originally like yellow. I'll turn them on real quick so you can see, but the only light we do not have yet are the tail lights, but stay tuned for those. I cannot wait to change the tail lights. The tail lights are gonna be sick. I did something different for the tail lights. Something I don't really see often, which is gonna be cool. If you guys have a Corvette, I'm sure you guys know Vet lights. License plate lights too, I totally forgot about that. I think these are the reverse lights, side markers. Oh, we even got this too, I forgot. There's like a brake light that you can add. Bro, I'm telling you, literally every light is getting replaced on this car today. These are just like blacked out and stuff like that. It's gonna look a lot more modern. And last but not least, the headlights, which I am most excited for. These are sick. I believe they're like the C7 style. They're all black housing, obviously brand new, so there's no type of like haze or scratches. It's gonna make the car look brand freaking new. We're also gonna fix that lip. I told Daniel that we gotta put the lip back better because that's what happens when I try installing things.
It looks actually good.
It's not bad, huh?
No, we just gotta secure it just a little bit more.
Yeah, add some like self tappers or something. These are cool. I know a lot of people like them. Some people didn't want me to change them, but we could always go back.
The new ones actually look like really good.
Yeah.
These look a little outdated. Just
a little bit, huh?
The housing, the red.
And the chrome and stuff like that. Yeah. So it's gonna look cool. And like I said, we still have them. So it's not like we're getting rid of them completely, but it's definitely gonna make the car look a lot different. Also, I need you guys' help. Should we wrap the roof black? What do you think, Daniel? You know, like the ZR1s, they come with all carbon.
I think you should do it.
A lot of Z06 owners do it to match like the Z06s, but I mean match the ZR1s. I've also seen some people do carbon somehow. I don't know how, but they replaced the whole roof.
Oh man,
that would be sick. But you gotta like take this whole thing apart, bro. Maybe we'll do that in the future, a full carbon roof on this. But in the meantime, I'm thinking about wrapping it black, and I also gotta tint these windows, bro. I haven't even tinted the windows yet. We're way behind.
I was surprised you hadn't.
No, that's what I was about to say. Usually, window tint's like the first mod that I do, bro, on every single car. Like literally the second day I buy it, I go and tint it. This car, I have not done it yet. But I feel like it doesn't look that bad on the older cars. Like, you know, no tint. But I still want to do it. I hate people looking at me.
Black roof is actually going to complement it really good.
Yeah, I think I might do it all at once. The black roof and the window tint. Anyways, the mods are coming, guys. I told you. It took a little bit to get here, but all the mods are starting to show up. We also got some more mods on the way. I think on Monday, we're going to make this thing louder. So, bro, the mods are coming. This is the before, and this is the after. Look how much better that looks. Daniel actually already put this one on. So you guys can see how it looks on the car. Bro, it's a huge difference. It kind of looks like a little C7 in a way. Looks sick. Look how different it is, bro. the whole black housing compared to the red, make it look like a 2025. All right, while Daniel does that, I'm gonna try to do the interior ones. We got the ones from up there, we got the footwells, and I believe these are for the back right there. And I think this is the only tool. We need a little plastic pry tool, and it's right here. Let's see. Just like that. I'm sure it's gonna be hot. I'm gonna try to pull it out with a towel because this is hot. All right, just like that. Won't shock me, right? Imagine. Damn, it's bright. Hella bright. Just pop it in place. Just like that. This thing needs to be vacuumed. But way better than that yellow light. Bro, it's literally like blinding me. All right. Bro, it's so much better. Now we gotta replace these ugly ones. Just like that. This one we might need like some pliers or something. Ooh, that is burning through the towel. Next are these side markers. Supposedly it's super easy. I think we just gotta take out this bolt, which I never even knew there was screws up here. I did not know that. I feel like from the top you just don't see it, but yeah, we gotta take this one out at the T15. I already started unscrewing it. But this is gonna take off the tail light, which will let us get into there to pop that out. This means the tail light's gonna be super easy to install probably. Damn, look how much better these are. So these give like that smoked looking effect, but also it's an LED. So instead of just blacking them out, which I was probably gonna end up doing, now it's blacked out and it has LEDs. Look, that's before. Just one little old bulb. Everybody says they break these and I think I broke them. The old ones though, thankfully.
They're brittle.
Yeah, they're super brittle. These are the old ones. And I think I broke them right here, the little tabs. Let's test it real quick. Damn. Bro, that is bright too. They're all so bright. It looks so much better. And the fitment is perfect, huh?
Oh, it is.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. I think it fits like a glove, dude.
Oh yeah. Sick. That's the front. We did the rear. Rear's all done. Tail lights are back on. I don't know how we're gonna get to that one because it's behind the big old sub. But this one's pretty easy. All the lights so far. It's super bright. Like I said, I don't know how we're gonna get to that one, but that's before and that's after. At night, you're really gonna tell a difference. The whole back's gonna light up. Now, we're gonna start doing the reverse ones. These are supposedly super easy to install too. So supposedly you can get in here if you just unbolt this bottom piece. And I'll be able to reach my hand in there and like take out the bulb. So let's see. I think I got it.
GM Tech.
I'm a Corvette technician now.
Official.
Like that. And then somehow put it back. Without even looking. Yup, they work. I wish I would have showed you guys before, but it was yellow. Now it's bright white. And it's probably super bright at night. Looks good, right?
It looks really good.
You guys ready to see the headlights? Bro, look how different the car looks. This doesn't even look like the same Corvette anymore. But these headlights are cool. They have like a little sequential blinker. These are like the daytime running lights, so these stay on all the time. And that's the actual headlight, but bro, they look sick. It's so different. Sick. Thank you, Daniel, again, bro. And the lip's tight now. Daniel put a bunch of screws, so the lip's not going nowhere.
Oh, absolutely not.
He said if you lose the lip, you're losing the whole bumper. Because it's on there. But dude, I told you guys today's gonna look completely different. Look, there's a daytime running light. It literally looks like a C7, bro. Looks crazy. It's like a new 06 now, huh?
Yeah.
And look, we also changed out these. So these are completely different. These are all yellow and old, and now it's like LED. Everything just flows and matches now. But yeah, it does look like a newer Z06 now.
It's hard, bro.
All right, what do you guys think? The car is done. Shout out to Vet Lights, bro. I cannot thank them enough. Look at the car, bro. Looks like a completely different car now. Again, all we're waiting for is the tail lights. Those are the last ones we're missing. It definitely makes the car look way newer. Sheesh. I love the black side markers too. I was gonna tint them either way, so it's sick. So it's sick that Vet Lights make them smoked out and LEDs. Damn, it looks sick. Bro, the headlights changed a lot, dude.
It honestly, they do.
Yeah, it looks sick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It almost looks like a C7.
It does look like a C7.
Yeah.
Bro, it makes the car look brand new. And the fact that they are brand new and they're all glossy right now, bro, it makes the car look like it just came off the showroom right now. Yeah, I like it.
It looks really good.
I was telling Daniel, I kind of want to change up the wheel color, guys. I like the wheels, but I feel like they're just not hitting, bro. Like, I honestly feel like just doing them gloss black and calling it a day. Yeah, look at the LED side markers. And it's so cool how the blinkers are like sequential like that. That's kind of sick. Thank you, Daniel. Little by little, we're building this car. We're waiting for so much more mods though, like I said. It's not even close to being done. Yeah, what do you guys think? Gloss black wheels? My homie said maybe chrome. Chrome will look sick too. All right, we made it back home, but check out these lights. The interior ones. It's so much brighter in here now. Crazy. You can't really see the back because I have all the boxes in here still, but yeah, big difference right there and on the floorboards. Super bright in here. Perfect for vlogging, kinda, right? Especially at night. Again, we did the side markers. So these are replaced. They're also smoked when they're off. The front ones are replaced. Oh, there you go. Now you guys can see. They're just blacked out, which looks really clean. And then the headlights, of course, probably the biggest and most noticeable mod now are the headlights, the C7 style. Don't forget, we also did the fog lights. Those are sick. Completely different design than like the OEM ones. The interior lights are so bright. And when you unlock the car, let's check this out. Sheesh. You guys saw the little sequential thing? And also the reverse lights, they're super bright. You can see everything. It lights up the whole rear end. Not only the reverse, but also the license plate lights too. So literally every single light on the car got replaced, except for the tail lights, but those are on the way. But I want to give a huge shout out to my boys over at Vet Lights. If you guys have a Corvette, don't look anywhere else. Vet Lights is the only place to go. We did every single light you possibly can do on the C6, completely modernizing my Corvette. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I think I'm gonna change up the wheels. Guys, help me out down below. What color should we do the wheels? Honestly, I'm gonna just be honest. I didn't want to do black, gloss black TEs because I'm already so annoyed of all the people saying that I'm trying to copy Fresh Kicks and all this stuff like that. Kicks is literally the homie, and he also built this car like 5 or 6 years ago, all right? His TE37s were gloss black. That's the only reason I don't want to do it, because it is gonna look somewhat like his old car, but you can't go wrong with black wheels. All my cars have had black wheels since my E92. Even though I feel like black kind of hides the design of the wheel, but you just can't go wrong. The black will look way more aggressive on this, especially when I do the gloss black roof. It'll match the gloss black wheels and all the other black accents on the car. I just don't want to hear anybody saying I'm copying Kicks, all right? You guys don't understand how annoying it is, bro. Can nobody have the same taste or what? Anyways, got some food. About to go eat with Josephine real quick. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys all the lights before I end the video. I did not think it was gonna be that bright in there. I think on Monday, we make this thing louder. We're doing headers, mid-pipe, pretty much full exhaust. And we're waiting on the taillights from Vet Light, which I cannot wait to show you guys what taillights we did. There's a lot of different options you can do, but I think the ones I chose are gonna make the Corvette look even crazier than it does now. I also ordered these too, so I'm gonna gloss black these out. Or if we chrome out the wheels, maybe I'll keep them chrome, but we'll see. You guys tell me. Just trust the process. Gloss black roof, window tint, maybe gloss black TEs. This thing's gonna look crazy.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.